Paradigm International is a home textile manufacturer based in Karur, India. Founded by Dr. K.N. Prabhu in 2005, we have been manufacturing and exporting home furnishing items for reputed multinational retailers all over the world, including Canada, USA, France, and even Italy, which houses the fashion capital of the world. Our range of products includes table linen and kitchen linen, bedding articles, outdoor articles such as beach and box mattresses, and accessories such as curtains and shopping bags. We use top-quality yarn bought from the best mills in the business to knit all of our refined and durable products. Here at Paradigm, we believe in maintaining quality with integrity. We respect and value the trust of our customers, and we strive to uphold it by delivering products of unrivaled quality made possible by our sophisticated manufacturing amenities and rigorous checking and testing processes during every stage of production. The testimonials to our caliber include an South Australia 8000 certification, an OEKO-TEX Standard 100 certification, a BSCI approval, an esteemed CEDEX membership, an accreditation as an export house by the Government of India.